Hi, I'm Kenny from ATEN. I'm a product marketeer, and today I'm going to present to you our UC9020. It's a live streaming device. So actually, normally for live streaming, you would need a good equipped live streaming computer. This one takes all that hassle away. Just you have the simple box here. You connect your two HDMI sources, for example, your presentation computer and a camera, as you can see here. Then you can have two layouts. So you have a layout here and a layout here. And then you can stream it live directly to YouTube, Twitch, or any other type of channel. The nice thing about this one is it also includes an audio jack, so you can also have a microphone included. It's an all-in-one device, easily managed from the hardware control buttons or in the free application that you have here. Should you want to integrate some graphics, for example, you can always edit them right here, so you can add in multiple pictures, create a nice layout, so your live stream is ready to go. Over here we have also two small new devices that are coming to the market right now, quite soon. I'm not going to release a lot of information about them yet, but stay tuned, they will hit the market very soon. Okay, thank you. For more information about the UC9020, you can always visit www.aten.com.